The PoolMr 2025 handheld pool vacuum offers impressive cleaning performance with a 60-minute runtime, making it ideal for maintaining above-ground pools, spas, and hot tubs. Its powerful suction, driven by a high-performance 30-watt motor, ensures a fast and efficient cleaning experience, handling up to 16 gallons per minute. The dual-phase cleaning system efficiently captures both large debris and fine particles, ensuring a thorough and adaptable cleaning process in any pool environment. With a 10.5-inch brush head, this vacuum easily reaches stairs, corners, and tight spots, and can switch to a suction head for cleaning floating debris. Designed for compatibility with robotic pool vacuums, it excels at cleaning hard-to-reach areas such as corners, stairs, and walls, complementing larger cleaning systems. The lightweight design, weighing just 5 7/10 pounds, makes it portable and easy to handle, while the low-noise operation ensures a peaceful cleaning experience.